Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. In today's lesson, we will study some different ways that you can say, "You're welcome." First, we're going to start with some informal ways to say, "You're welcome." These can be used with your friends or family. These can be used for small things, like if you open the door for somebody, or if you lend a pencil to somebody. Let's take a look. No problem. This is saying that a present you gave or a favor that you did was very easy to do. It wasn't difficult. It wasn't a problem. Randy, thanks for sending me that link to the website yesterday. No problem. No worries. This is very similar to no problem. We're saying that it was very easy to do. No worries. Can I borrow a pencil? Here you are. Thanks. No worries. Don't worry about it. This is very similar to no problem and no worries. You're telling the person who said thank you to not worry about it. Don't think about it too much. It was a small gift, or it was a small favor. Randy, thank you so much for the book. Don't worry about it. It was easy to find. It's no trouble. You can start to see a pattern here. Many of these are simply saying that it was easy to do. It was no problem. It was no trouble. Thank you for helping my son with his homework. It's no trouble. I really like math. It was nothing. Again, this is very similar to all of the other phrases. We're just saying that it was not a big deal. It was nothing. Randy, I really appreciate your letter. It was nothing. Don't worry about it. It's no big deal. Continuing on with the same pattern, this is another way to say that it was very easy. It was no trouble. It's no big deal. It was so nice of you to show Susan around town. Thank you so much. It's no big deal. It was fun. No sweat. So when something is difficult, or when something takes a lot of effort, you often will sweat. This is a way of saying that it was easy. It did not take a lot of effort. Randy, can you give me Michelle's phone number? Sure, here you are. Thanks a lot. No sweat. Sure thing. Sometimes this can be shortened to sure. It is an easy, short way to say you're welcome. Randy, can you hand me that bag? Here you are. Thanks. Sure thing. Anytime. Here, we are saying that we would do it for the person anytime. We like this person, so we have no problems giving them a gift or doing them a favor. We would do it anytime. Randy, thanks so much for meeting me at the airport. Anytime. Anything for you. This is similar to anytime. It just means that we like the person and it is easy for us to do a favor for that person. Do you think you could help me move to my new apartment? Sure. Thanks a million. Anything for you. Don't mention it. We are saying that what we did for the person, or the gift we gave the person, is not a big deal. The person does not have to say thank you. Thank you so much for the Christmas gift. I really enjoyed it. Don't mention it. Before we continue, you might have noticed that many people will often use two phrases together to say you're welcome. For example, Randy, thank you so much for giving me a ride to the airport. No problem. Anytime. Here, we are using two phrases that we learned. This is very common. Let's look at another example. Thanks for helping me clean up. I don't think I could have done this all by myself. It's no big deal. Don't mention it. Next, let's take a look at some slightly formal ways to say you're welcome. You're very welcome. Of course, this is very similar to you're welcome, but we're adding very. This is a simple phrase, but nice and formal. Thank you for your presentation. I really enjoyed it. You're very welcome. You're quite welcome. This is similar to you're very welcome. We're adding quite instead of very. I love my birthday present. Thanks a lot. You're quite welcome. You're most welcome. Again, this is similar to the previous two phrases that we studied. We're adding most to you're welcome. This one is a little less common, but you still hear it occasionally. Thank you so much for coming to our conference. You're most welcome. The pleasure is all mine. This is saying that you enjoyed doing something for the person. There are actually three similar expressions that we can use here. The pleasure is all mine. It is my pleasure. And my pleasure. Thank you so much for helping my son. I really appreciate it. The pleasure is all mine. It was my pleasure. And my pleasure. Glad to help. This is saying that we were very happy to help that person. You enjoyed helping that person. You really helped us last week. Thank you so much. Glad to help. Next, let's take a look at saying you're welcome in more professional settings. You will often hear these in restaurants, banks, or different public buildings. I'm happy to be of assistance. This is very formal, and you would not use this in your everyday life. You would hear this at a hotel or a bank, or you would use this at your own job, or maybe in an email. We really appreciate you helping us with our report last week. I'm happy to be of assistance. No need at all. Another polite option is no need at all, or there's no need to thank me. You can say it after your boss thanks you, and you want to imply that thanking you isn't necessary. This is a formal way of saying, don't mention it, that we learned before. Randy, you've done a very good job with the new students. We appreciate it. There's no need to thank me. I enjoyed it. I am here to help. This sentence will let your boss know that your tasks and assignments are important to you, and you take your job seriously. Thank you for finishing the report yesterday. Our customers were very happy with it. I'm here to help. Okay, let's do some quick practice. I'm going to tell you a situation. I want you to say, "You're welcome," using one of the ways we learned in today's lesson. Maybe I borrowed your pencil. Maybe you gave me a present. Maybe you helped me move to a new apartment. Think about which expressions are best for each situation. Try to say the expression out loud so that you can practice your pronunciation. Let's get started. Number 1. You gave me a normal t-shirt for my birthday. Thank you for the t-shirt. Number 2. You gave me a t-shirt of my favorite professional sports athlete, and it has the athlete's autograph on it. Wow, this is for me? Thank you so much. I love it. Number 3. I'm hot, so you close the window for me. Thanks, I was getting hot. Number 4. You are my next door neighbor. I was having car trouble and you fixed my engine. You really helped me. Thank you so much. I hope it wasn't too much trouble. So today's homework is really easy. Write your favorite phrase that you learned today in the comments section. That's it. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section below. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.